this apart. Here we have the illuminated keyboard, and the main difference with these is this extra little cable running up here that supplies the LED. So put that to one side for a minute. I'll take the battery out because I just like to do that, then you make sure you're not going to short anything out or anything. Right, now to get the keyboard out is a little bit tricky. What we have to do is find the clips under here. And there's just along the top where the function keys are some little tabs that you can just prise up. Once you get them started, they just sort of clip out. It really does sound like it's going to break, but it'll be okay. Right, now what we have here is, let's zoom in a bit, you have a little tab that you pull up, take the tab off, put it over there. Now see this keyboard, it'll go keyboard will go in, yes, that way, and this little one goes in that way. Right, so not the best way of doing this, but that needs to be up, so it needs to fold back on itself. Like that. Push the clip down. And this one has got up written on it. So this is the little tab. Same sort of thing here. Make sure the cable's got the upright bit in the up position. Slot it in. Easier said than done. Slot it in. There's a little white mark on it, so it should go into the white mark. And just push it down. We should just be able to lie everything back down. Push it back into place, just click back in. Right, that's the keyboard back in, so turn the computer over and put the battery back in and see if it will start up. Let's zoom it back out. Switch on. That's a good sign, the caps lock light came on. There we go, it's all lit up. That's fairly easy. To turn the keyboard on and off, you hold down the function key over here and you press F10, which has got a little icon on it, looks like a sunrise, and that will turn the keyboard on and off. There we go, thank you very much for watching.